Good day and congratulations on getting started on your estate planning. I am LTFobi, the founding attorney here at LTFobi Law, and my goal is to help you set up a plan to take care of yourself, your loved ones, and your assets in the way that you want them to go. In this video, we'll do a brief overview of the different tools and strategies that are available for you in your estate planning process. A standard estate plan includes a will, power of attorney, and medical directive. The financial power of attorney and medical directive form allow you to choose people, agents, who can step in and help you take care of yourself during your lifetime when you cannot do so anymore. The will says who's in charge of my property and where it goes after I pass. But even with that will, your family will have to go to probate court to get that property out of your name. So my goal is to help clients bypass the probate process and streamline the distribution of their assets directly to their loved ones after passing. And there are three main tools we can use to accomplish this. I'm going to talk about all the tools, but we will pick and choose the tools that will work best for you and your family in the consultation. The first tool we have is to own assets jointly. If assets are owned jointly, if one person passes, whoever's left, they are the default full owners of that asset, a quick way to move property privately outside of probate. The second tool we have are the beneficiary designations. On the financial assets, we can name beneficiaries, individuals who inherit directly, no probate required. All they're going to need is their death certificate and their ID when the time comes. Georgia has also adopted the transfer on death deed, which works like a beneficiary designation, but for real estate. The third tool is the trust. Just like a will, the trust says who's in charge and where the property goes. However, we would move property out of your name and into the name of a trust during your lifetime, so nobody has to go to probate to get property out of your name after you've passed. And even though the trust would technically own your assets, for a revocable trust, you can serve as trustee, meaning you're still in charge. It's all still for you. No new tax filings, no new assessments. Your homestead stays the same. Everything stays the same during your lifetime. So with me, you will be able to choose the tools or the combination of tools that will work best for yourself, your loved ones, and your assets. That's the gist of it. And I'll be happy to answer any questions you may have about those tools and how they apply to you during our consultation. Prior to our consultation, I'm going to ask you to start thinking about who your representatives are going to be, who's going to be in charge of distributing assets or taking care of my financial matters or my healthcare matters when I'm still alive, and how do I want to distribute that property. I would like you to remember that the best part of estate planning is that it is all completely customizable to your wishes. So whatever you want to have happen, we can absolutely discuss it. During that consult, I'll collect those wishes from you and start preparing an estate plan for you to execute. Thank you so much and have a good day. Who's gonna get my residuals? Who's gonna get my residuals? That's what we're doing, the residuals. Yeah.